Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we learn and solve chapter test questions 1 to 10 of first chapter. Chapter name is Rational Numbers of class 8 of New Learning Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. Today we learn about chapter test questions. First chapter name is Rational Numbers, questions 1 to 10. Let's solve some questions. Now we'll solve question number 1. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. First bit A is any number can be written in the form n divided by d, where n and d are integers and d not equal to 0. That number is called a dash number. Here it is given that n divided by d, the number can be written in the form n divided by d, and both n and d are integers and the denominator d not equal to 0 and the numerator n can be 0 or any number. Then that number is a rational number. So answer will be rational number. Second bit B. The product of a rational number and its multiplicative inverse is dash. Product of a rational number, suppose a rational number is 1 divided by 2 and its multiplicative inverse will be product of multiplicative inverse is the reciprocal of that number. So reciprocal of 1 divided by 2, that is multiplicative inverse of 1 divided by 2 will be 2. We have to divide the number with 1. So reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of 1 divided by 2 will be 1 division of 1 divided by 2, that is equal to 2. So product of rational number and its multiplicative inverse, that is 1 divided by 2 multiplied with 2 is 1. So product of any rational number and its multiplicative inverse is always equal to 1. So answer will be 1. C. Between minus 15 divided by 27 and minus 20 divided by 27, the greater number is dash. Here the denominator 27, both have equal denominator. So when we compare the rational number whose denominators are equal, we have to compare the numerator. Here minus 15 and minus 20 both are negative numbers, and we know minus 15 is greater than minus 20. So minus 15 divided by 27 is greater than minus 20 divided by 27. So greater number is minus 15 divided by 27. Now we solve question number 6. Find 3 rational numbers between minus 3 divided by 2 and 5 divided by 2. 3 rational numbers between minus 3 divided by 2 and 5 divided by 2 are minus 1 divided by 2, minus 1, 1 divided by 2, 0, 1 and 3 divided by 2. These are the rational numbers between minus 3 divided by 2 and 5 divided by 2. Minus 1 and then minus 1 by 2, zero, then 1 divided by 2, then 2 divided by 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1, then 3 divided by 2 and 4 divided by 2 that is equal to 2. So minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 divided by 2, 1, 3 divided by 2 and 2. These are the rational numbers between minus 3 divided by 2 and 5 divided by 2. Now we solve question number 7. Question number 7 is if a jar contains 3 divided by 4 liter of juice and each cup can hold 1 divided by 8 liter of juice, how many cups can be filled? Options are 3 divided by 32 cups, B is 6 cups, C is 3 divided by 4 cups and D is 8 cups. Number of cups required to fill the jar will be 3 divided by 4 liter divided with 1 divided by 8 liter. So 3 divided by 4 multiplied with the reciprocal of 1 divided by 8, and reciprocal of 1 divided by 8 is 1 division of 1 divided by 8, that is 8. So multiply 3 divided by 4 with 8, cancel 4 and 8 with 2, 3 multiplied with 2, that is equal to 6 cups. So option B, 6 cups is the correct. Option B is the correct answer. Now we solve question number 8. Question number 8 is which value of x makes the equation 3 divided by 5x equal to minus 39 divided by 25 is true. Options are minus 1, 2 divided by 5, minus 2, 3 divided by 5, 3, 2 divided by 5 and minus 2, 1 divided by 5. Given 3 divided by 5 x equal to minus 39 divided by 25. We have to find the value of x. So x will be minus 39 divided by 25 division of 3 divided by 5. Minus 39 divided by 25 multiplied with reciprocal of the rational number 3 divided by 5, and reciprocal of 3 divided by 5 will be 1 division of 3 divided by 5, that is equal to 5 divided by 3. So minus 39 divided by 25 multiplied with 5 divided by 3 and cancel 3 with 39, that is 13, and cancel 5 with 25, that is 5. We get minus 13 divided by 5, that is 5 multiplied with 2 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13. So minus 2, 3 divided by 5, and minus 2, 3 divided by 5 is the answer. So option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Now solve question number 9. Question number 9 is how many pieces of 13 1 divided by 5 centimeter length can be cut from a 330 centimeter long rod. First option is 25. Options are 25, 28, 21 and 35. We have to find out the number of pieces can be cut from the rod. That will be 330 centimeter divided with 13 1 divided by 5 centimeter, and convert this 13 1 divided by 5 into improper fraction into improper rational number. We get 13 1 divided by 5 is 13 multiplied with 5 is 65, 65 plus 1 is 66, 66 divided by 5 centimeter, and 330 centimeter division with 66 divided by 5 centimeter. Now reciprocal of 66 divided by 5 is 330 centimeter multiplied with reciprocal of 66 divided by 5. And reciprocal of 66 divided by 5 is 1 division of 66 divided by 5, that is equal to 5 divided by 66. Now we get 330 centimeter multiplied with 5 divided by 66 centimeter, and cancel 66 with 330, that is 5. Now we get 5 multiplied with 5, that is equal to 25 centimeter. So option A is correct. Now we solve question number 10. Question number 10 is if the fractions minus 2 divided by 5, minus 7, 20 divided by 25, 1 divided by 10, minus 19 divided by 4, minus 29 divided by 51 are arranged in ascending order of their sets of values, then which one will be first? Options are 29 divided by 7, minus 2 divided by 5, 1 divided by 10, and minus 19 divided by 4. These are the options given. First we have to convert this rational number into decimal. Minus 2 divided by 5 is minus 0.4, and minus 7 divided by 25 is minus 0.28. 1 divided by 10 is 0.1. Minus 19 divided by 4 is minus 4.75, and minus 29 divided by 51 is minus 0.568. Now from these given values of the decimal values, we have to arrange these decimal values in ascending order. Ascending order in increasing order, that will be minus of 0.568, then minus 4. Minus 4.75 is the smaller number, first it will be minus 4.75, this is the smaller number, then minus 0.568, then minus 0.4, then minus 0.28, then 0.1. 0.1 is the positive decimal number, positive decimal value, so it will be the largest decimal number, largest decimal value. So 1 divided by 10 is the largest decimal number, and minus 4.75, that is minus 19 divided by 4 is the smallest decimal number. So from this value is minus 4.75, that is minus 19 divided by 4 has the lowest values. This will be the first. So option D is the correct. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.